One of the things that I think is really important for you to understand when you're talking to an estate planning and elder law attorney is that as an elder law attorney, we commonly work with clients who have diminished capacity. Diminished capacity could be somebody who has an Alzheimer's diagnosis, or they're starting some other type of cognitive decline, but they are in, I guess I'll call it the gray area. They're not sharp like they used to be, and they're not incapacitated. They don't understand anything, but they're in that area where it's declining, but they can still understand what I am talking about with them. So sometimes people get a diagnosis of Alzheimer's, they go, oh, it's too late. There just needs to be a guardianship. Not necessarily. We try to avoid guardianships, and I'll talk about that in a moment, why we try to avoid guardianships. So when we're meeting with clients who have cognitive decline, what I'm looking for is that they're understanding what I'm telling them, that they're understanding that by signing this document, this durable power of attorney, for example, that they're granting authority to this person who they say they want to act on their behalf, often a spouse, the person they trust to take care of them, to take care of their financial affairs, to take care of their health decisions, to talk with the doctors, to do whatever needs to be done if they could do it themselves. And if I see that the person is following, that they've got that light in the eye, that they're understanding what we're talking about, I likely will find that they have capacity. And that's true even if they have short-term memory loss. See, short-term memory loss is different than not understanding in the moment. Short-term memory loss, of course, is indicative of cognitive decline, but that doesn't mean in and of itself that they don't understand what we're talking about when we're talking about their estate plan. So as elder law attorneys, we strive to work with clients to meet them where they are at, and if they have cognitive decline, but if we can say that I know when I was talking with her, she understood what we were talking about. I could tell she would answer my questions. She had that light in her eyes. She responded appropriately during our discussion. Then that person can sign new estate planning documents.